Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fill out New York IT-2104 form. First, get a copy of form IT-2104, also known as the Employee's Withholding Allowance Certificate. Now start by entering your personal information at the top of the form. Fill in your full name, social security number, home address, city, state, zip code, and any other required details. Next, select your filing status. Choose the option that matches your current situation, such as single, married, or head of household. After that, review the withholding allowance worksheet included with the form. This worksheet helps you calculate how many withholding allowances you can claim. Now complete the worksheet based on your personal tax situation. Consider factors such as multiple jobs, dependents, tax credits, and any itemized deductions you may qualify for. Then enter the total number of withholding allowances you want to claim in the appropriate box on the form. Remember that claiming more allowances generally means less tax is withheld from your paycheck, while claiming fewer allowances means more tax is withheld. If you would like additional tax withheld from each paycheck, enter the extra dollar amount in the section provided on the form. Next, review the residency section carefully if you live in New York City or Yonkers, as this can affect local tax withholding. Now double-check all information you enter to make sure everything is accurate and complete. After that, sign and date the form in the Employee Certification section. Your signature confirms that the information provided is correct, then submit the completed IT-2104 form to your employer's payroll or human resources department. If you start a new job, have a major life change, get married, have children, change your deductions, or notice that too much or too little tax is being withheld, you should complete and submit a new IT-2104 form. It's also a good idea to review your withholding information each year to make sure it still matches your current tax situation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.